Hi, my name is Millie. I'm from Woodbury. I just want to let you know that we had such a good experience with Viking contractors. After we had hail damage in our home, we received a letter from Vikings. We contacted them. In our first meeting, we had such a confidence that every work they do will be done perfectly. We love the way the sales representative explained to us in a very professional manner every single step on how the work will be done. I can tell you it was actually over our expectations. The day that the job was done, we felt such a peace of mind to leave the house, let them do their work. By the time we came back, it was amazing how the job was done in such a professional manner in 1 day and a half. Our house was with a new roof looking beautiful. I definitely recommend Viking contractors. The work was excellent. The peace of mind that you have is one of the most important parts of the great experience we had.